Hi, this is Kareem. I'm gonna walk you through the final project in the Big Data Analytics course. The project is about case study for social sciences using Hcatalog. First thing in the problem statement, when you try to buy a house or rent an apartment, you want to make sure that you live in the safe neighborhood. So our focus is going to be in the city of Seattle. There's two major questions that we want to get an answer for. What's the safest district and zone? And the second thing, for each incident group or a crime group or category, what's the rank for of a given district? The data set I got from data.seattle.gov, it's the size of it is 290 megabyte before cleansing, and after cleansing and removing the data, or like rubbish data, so we got like 240 megabyte, and actually it turned out to be like almost 100,000 record. So the final number of records is 1.15 million record. The attribute that focused on is the district and zone and event clearance group. So basically this data set I got is from the Seattle Police, the 911 incident response. So that have the records from 2009 to 2015 for all the incidents happens in the city of Seattle. So for the technology used, I tried to go through the simple way. So I use three different technologies: Pig, Hive, and Hcatalog. For the Hcatalog, it's basically transform the flat file, or like SQL files, as CSV files and text files into tables, and enable Pig, MapReduce, and Hive to access these tables. So it's kind of a simplicity for the end user. The steps I took for implementing this project was first do the data cleansing, install Hcatalog, and do configuration changes, execute the queries in Pig for the HDFS files, and then create the tables from the CSV file. Then the second query, which is about the per instance, what's the district rank, I ran a query to integrate Hcatalog and Pig for the from the Megastore table, and the last thing that I did is run a Hive query from the Megastore table. This is a sample of, or like one of the queries that I ran on the data. So basically what here I want to highlight is the type of CSV Excel storage that's used to load the CSV file. And second thing is creating the table. In Hue, in the Megastore, it's one of the capabilities that you just load the CSV file, and it's gonna determine the columns from there. You just pick the delimiter, and it's gonna show you the column names and the data column types, and then import the data to the table on HDFS. This is also another query that I use like for Hive. Hive is so easy because it's almost identical as a SQL, so you don't need to learn new language to run Hive queries. The Hcatalog installation, I was able to install it on the Cloudera VM, The steps for installing it was firstly do the sudo yum on Hive Web Hcat server, and then sudo yum install for Hive Hcatalog. The second step is to change the Hive site.xml file and point to the host name that the Hcatalog components reside. And the last step was to start the server, and that's all for the installation. The second part is to integrate the Hcatalog with Pig. So that was kind of tricky because you can't just run the Hcatalog or Hcat loader in Pig. You need to point the resources in the Pig to the XML file, which is Hive site.xml, after you upload it in a shared library folder. And this is the way that you make it. You just upload the Hive site.xml and this path, and then you run your query using the Hcat loader, and you just point to the name of the table you want to access. This is a sample of the output that I got. So basically this is kind of weapon call is a category of call they got, and a B is a district, and there was 30 incidents of it from 2009 to 2015, and for M district we got like 147. Unfortunately, for the district map of Seattle wasn't available online, so I couldn't visualize the results, for example, in GeoCharts. The conclusion for this project, like simplicity comes with a price, so it was easy to write the Pig queries and Hive queries. However, the execution time is longer than if you just write a MapReduce job. The second thing, Hcatalog doesn't add much regarding the performance. It just adds simplicity for the end user. District K is the most dangerous one, so try to avoid it. The last thing that I wanna highlight is from this project is requirement for the performance determine or dominate the choice for the technology. So if you wanna get fast answers, you basically go for Spark, for example. The last thing, it was fun doing this project, and I wanna show you demo for the Hcatalog. So basically we're gonna go from here. So this is the SQL or the Pig script. In properties here, you have to point out to the Hive site.xml, and in Hue you can, from here, for example, Megastore tables, you can create a new table from a file. You just need to say the table name and the input file, which is from the HDFS, and you click the import data. So I already did that. I'm just gonna walk through the Hcatalog and see the results. We already have that. We'll just run it and see. So as I said, it's basically Hcatalog loader is the thing that we use to load my table for, and I'm gonna start executing it now. So okay, after a successful run, I can see the output from file browser, and then p output city 4, which is this one, and this is the one. So here it's ordered by the category or the groups, and in each group it's ordered by the number of incidents and the districts here. Thank you, and it was fun. Thank you.